Network Entertainment.
Ano yung pinaka-criticism mo
Ganito.
para gumaling yung mga rider?
Matuto kayo magbasa ng rules para hindi kayo tanong ng tanong. Kasama yon sa orientation sa inyo, alamin niyo yung rules.
At katulad ng ano yung pinaka-violated na rule?
Malay ko, di naman ako nagbasa ng rules eh.
This is the first time ever na they went down.
Ha?
Deep down, dirty south.
Mindanao.
In Mindanao. Mga lugar ko yun.
Oo.
Sa first time na nagkaroon ng FJ in Mindanao. And tonight,
Parang lahat yata ngumingiti ah.
Ano kaya nangyari dyan?
marami. That's why tonight we're gonna be talking online with Sir Vince Tagle,
Mark Sung?
Mark Sung, and in studio, kasama natin yung one of the two women who finished.
Si Inigo
Si
at saka
Inigo
Jack.
Pimentel. Lady number 1.
Lady Boy.
And Jack Buncho.
Hindi, si Tet Lara yung isa.
Tet Lara.
Okay, kwentuhan nyo naman kami guys. Para sa mga hindi muna nakakaalam, saang lugar na ganap yan sa Mindanao?
It happened in Cagayan de Oro. Started at Cagayan de Oro. And it went around to Bukidnon.
Ganda ng bukid nun.
Lamig pala doon?
May nakita pa kayong mga cowboy?
Oh,
Meron! Sabi ko ganun pala yung mga ano talaga.
yung
no?
trip doon, no?
First time nyo bang mag-ride doon sa Mindanao?
Yeah.
Kayo Vince, Mark, I'm not too sure na first time nyo doon. Parang hindi.
First time on two wheels.
Oh. Si Vince kaya?
First time on two wheels, pero nakapunta na dati.
First time mo on two wheels to ride in Mindanao,
Ay,
Vince?
hindi. Second pala, second. Meron na ako dati.
Pero I guess lahat kayo, first time nyo mag-off-road doon. Tama ba?
Me, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang haba nitong kodigo, iba, hinahanap ko saan ako magsisimula.
No, okay lang yan. All right. So, this is the first time it was a race, no? It was FJ Enduro Moto Rally.
Hindi daw pwede yung tawaging race kasi nasa public.
Hindi ba pwede tawagin
Road
race yun?
It was just a rally. Rally pwede sa
Rally,
public.
rally pwede, rally.
Pwede ka sa Menjola eh.
So, it's a rally na may... Ay, congratulations, Boss Toti!
Congrats.
Congrats, Team Ducati!
Toti, congrats.
Otits!
Masakit daw pa niyan eh.
Perfect score, Toti!
Ano nga yung...
Tapos the oldest rider.
Si Master Ray!
mga kalbo, yun.
Si Master Ray, ano daw eh. Lamig na lamig yan sa taas, sabi niya eh.
So, okay. So, it was the first time na it was a rally and it was timed. Did you guys care about that? I know Toti cares about that. Pero how about you guys?
Sa team namin, hindi naman. Our goal was to finish. Lalo na si Kuya Marvin was taking care of me. Kasi I have a season to think of sa May, sa road race. So hindi naman, I can't do stupid stuff. So, to finish talaga.
You can't do stupid stuff. Ba't ka sumama?
Oo nga, ba't sumali ka in the first place?
It's not stupid naman.
Malaking kalokohan yan eh.
Stupid but safe.
Okay,
Yan,
stupid but safe. Correct,
Kaya pala
correct.
dami mo manager ah. May manager dito, may manager na bayaw.
May bodyguard, no?
May bayaw ko, may bayaw.
Ikaw, Inigo, nag-aabol ka ba ng oras na because it's a rally and may time element?
Actually, hindi. Hindi naging pressure for us yun. It was really just, sabi namin, basta malakas ang dati.
Yan. Perfect yun.
So I think
Daanin na lang
nagawa
sa
naman
yabang.
namin yun.
Okay. Kateam mo si Mark. Mark, alam ko competitive si Mark eh. Was finishing
Hindi ako
in
competitive. Chill lang ako.
it was finishing in the top 10. Nasa top 10 kayo, 'di ba? Team Yamaha.
Top? Yes.
Was that part of the plan?
Just best effort lang.
How did how about kayo, Vince? Wala kayo sa top 10 ah.
And I heard si Vince Rode kahit may sakit.
Actually, nag-file kami ng protest.
Oh, bakit?
Kasi bakit hindi na-announce yung ibang pwesto? Anong nangyari sa
Doon
20
ako
to
11 yun, 11.
Di ba?
Doon ako 11 si Vince eh.
Hindi, may official FJ Moto Marshall dito.
Wala,
sabi
hindi,
niya 11 ka, Vince. Number 11 ka.
Ano lang yun, hearsay.
Hindi, para sa akin, number 1 ka.
Okay, kwentuhan nyo naman kami. Anong remarkable dyan sa experience na yan? Being, it's a rally race, unfamiliar territory, sa Mindanao siya. Anong kakaiba sa mga previous FJ events?
Yeah, so just to qualify, so on road, parang transport stage lang siya. So everyone's controlled speed. So it's really off-road talaga where the rally happens.
Paano nako-control yung speed on road?
So on road is just a transport stage.
Paano nako-control yung speed on road?
So, meron app which we call Guru and records our speed. And then yung mga dinaanan namin, waypoints, no? So they can review if we're overspeeding or not. Yeah.
Okay.
May naghahawakan dito ng kamay. Teka lang.
Parang nagmo-Morse code yata sa likod ah.
Ikaw ba? You've not competed. You've joined FJ multiple times. Ito yung first time mo as a marshal. Ano yung experience mo
Wala,
naman?
boring. Pare-parehong boring.
Honest Reacts, brought to you by Buck.
Di, maganda talaga. Kasi yung camaraderie ng mga tao.
Tuloy mo. Tapos,
Di, maganda yung eto, kwento ko. Yung first day pa lang, dun sa finish line, ay na, dami nagiiwanan.
okay.
Tapos, pagdating nung second day, magte-take off na, parang may nag-aaway-away na. Parang magte-take off yung isang grupo, 3 lang yung magte-take off, tapos iiling yung 2.
Well, coming from yung experience niyan, yung mga kwento ni Inigo sa mga dating FJ, di ba? Ganun talaga, kasama yon. Yung nag-aaway yung
Tapos-
team, yung
Hindi, patapusin nyo ako.
Sorry.
Tapos, meron pang isang team doon, sabi, boss, pwede bang 3 na lang kami tumapos? Yung 2 ayaw namin eh.
Ganon?
May nagsabi
Ganon!
sa'yo ng ganon?
Parang harapan, andun yung 2.
Okay, so,
Pero, ito maganda. At the end of the day, dun sa third day finish line, na-realize nila na magbabarkada pa rin talaga sila.
Moment of pressure lang talaga yun.
Oo.
Moment of pressure lang talaga yun.
Yun yung parang magandang
Character building ang
nakita ko.
FJ.
Actually.
So thank you Don Joseph na build ang friendship nila. Dahil kayo,
Okay, kayo, guys, did you guys encounter anything like that when you were, na nag-aaway na kayo, and what caused it?
Vince, Mark, kayo. Nakakatulog na ata si Mark.
Hindi team.
Nagdadasal si Mark.
Hindi team namin. Solid ang team namin eh.
Oh,
Pero may alam akong team.
solid din.
Okay, alam si Vince.
First day pa lang, yung 3 umayaw na.
Ganon?
Para alam natin lahat.
Di ba?
hindi ko
Richmond.
alam yun. Hindi ko alam yun.
Natatawa si Richmond. Kilala yata ni Richmond eh. Sino yan?
Kaya nangyari, From FJ Moto sila, naging Philippine Loop.
Sabihin, sino yan?
Ha?
Sino yan?
Wag na, lalong sasama loob ng dalawa.
Mamaya na lang after the
Pwede ako
recording.
manghula? Pwede ako manghula?
Hindi.
manghula ka.
Seriously. Sana yung ganon, yung merong sumali, please think of your teammates also.
Yeah,
No?
yeah.
So, you have to be serious. Kailan prepared ka? Hindi naman ito yung pasyal-pasyal lang na ordinaryo, di ba? So, you're affecting the lives of your other teammates pagka hindi ka prepared.
Agree.
Yeah. So, yun lang. Next time siguro, dapat prepared sila.
Vince,
Yeah.
question.
Malaking ano doon yung when I spoke also to those guys, parang yung gastos yung preparation nila, yung gastos just to be there, the whole logistics shebang. Malaking bagay talaga Doon malaking aray na Tapos para first day, 'di ba? First day biguin na sila ng
I wonder, Vince, ano yun yung nagkakatampuan na yun? Dahil ba sa attitude nung kasama nila? Dahil sa mga ganon?
Dahil sa hirap?
Bagal kumilos?
Well, in the first place, balita ko lang, no? Puro balita.
Hearsay.
Hindi naman sila talaga magkakakilala. Okay, parang binuo lang sila because they cannot form one group cannot form a complete 5-man team. Ganon din yung kabilang group. So nagsama sila to be one group.
Oh.
So yun lang, hindi cohesive yung group nila.
And just to add up, parang tinanong mo ako kanina, di ba? Parang yung from previous FJs, kung may alam ba ako na ganyan yung nangyayari. Parang normal na story yan. And it was nice na may nakausap ako mga bagong grupo. May mga sinuportan din akong bagong groups. And then they reached out to me just to say na parang, kuya, kakaiba pala, no? Parang kasama, laking bagay pala nung team dynamics and motivation just to, alam mo yon, just to complete this. Tapos, ang banat ko lang buti magkakaibigan pa kayo pagdating sa dulo, di ba? Pero, yun yung isa sa parang underlying challenges ng FJ that a lot of people don't know, especially the first-timers. Feeling nila, it's all about off-road skill. Ganyan, magagaling mag-off-road lahat yun. Pero, ayun, team dynamics, malaking bagay pala.
And the route is doable. Hindi siya imposible.
So, compared to other...
So,
Go ahead, Vince. Go ahead.
So kung hindi, let us say, hindi kaya, tulungan lang kayo no? Kasi pwede mo naman sakyan yung motor ng ibang kasama mo if you have a better skill than them, di ba? Or kung napagod. Basta tulungan lang, walang iwanan, matatapos yung group.
Bak, sama ako sa team mo. Pwede palang ganon.
There were a couple of
yun.
first-timers na sila man yung huling dumating. And ganun lang, I was surprised. They also plowed through the hard parts. Talagang di lang nag-iwanan.
Okay, so how is it different this time around from the other FJs? Kasi all of you have joined FJs before, di ba? Mark, how is it different this time around?
Si Mark ang interesting tanongin yan.
Well, number one, there's a competition aspect. So the dynamics of everything changed. Kasi normally everyone's a little more chill. So now medyo naging competitive mga tao.
So my question, parang host ako, no?
Sige, go
Do you
ahead.
like that format, Mark?
No comment.
Ba't parang ayaw nyo magsisagot?
Okay.
Ayaw nyo magsisagot?
Pasa ko yung Vince.
Sinji ko dali.
Ipapasa ko yung tanong, Vince, ha? Jack, Inigo, kayo ba gusto niyo yung ganung
Ako,
format?
Jack, go ahead.
feeling ko si Jack, she thrives under this kind of pressure.
Mali.
No?
Wrong. Ito guys, kwento ko sa inyo. Day 1, nag-diva ako sa group ko. As in, diva. Sabi ko, ayoko na. Gusto ko na umuwi. I wanna stop this. I wanna stop this. Kung maalala niyo yung air...
Pag nagdidiva ka pala, English.
Oo, diba? Ako English ako mag-diva So, kung alala niyo yung area na may adobe, kung nasaan si Kuya Joe, yun. And then, naipit ako sa adobe. Tapos sabi ko, Kuya Marvin, I don't want this na. Ayoko na. Stop this. Gumilit ako. And if you guys know yung teammate ko na si Kuya King lumapit sa akin.
King Serohe.
King Seroy, lumapit sa akin. Jack, anong kailangan mo? Sabi ko, wala. Kuya King, I need peace of mind. So nasa gilid ako noon, nung obstacle na yun, gumilid ako. 5 minutes, din nila ako yung nakausap. Tapos after 5 minutes, sabi ko, okay, let's go guys, I'm so sorry for that episode.
Wait, what happened? What caused you to snap?
Siguro dahil sa racing, I'm always so used na alam ko yung ginagawa ko. Nasa pag binato sa akin yung things na medyo napapaisip ako, medyo nag-struggle ako, na frustrate ako, na sabi ko, kaya ko to pero ba't parang hindi ko kaya? As in, nakatitig lang ako na, kaya ko to pero ba't hindi ko mapitawan yung ano ko? Ayoko na, Kuya Marvin, I wanna go home.
Ganon.
So nagdiba si Jack Bunyo sa bundok. Pero okay
Okay,
na.
wait, a question. I can see on your arm na medyo bruised ka.
Hindi to FJ, sorry.
hindi yan FJ.
So ang bruise ko
Sino
nung
inupakan mo?
Itong maliit na yan, FJ. Itong malaki na yan, banana boat after nung FJ.
Na-injured sa banana boat.
Nadali ng banana
So
boat.
guys, Monday afternoon, nag-banana boat kami after the,
Mas delikado pala
the
mag-banana
FJ.
boat kaysa sa mag-FJ.
Tapos, tumama, yung umilalim ako sa banana boat, tapos humampas sa akin yung banana boat. So sabi ko, oh my God,
Matigas
it's
ba yung
broken.
banana boat?
Yeah, pare, masakit. Pare, masakit.
Ikaw, Inigo.
Ano ulit yung question?
Kung
Different.
nagdiva ka,
Different.
The main I felt liked also the...
You've done multiple FJs rin eh. diba?
Yeah.
If you like the format now,
It's something new, so it's something that we all need to try.
Si Mark, parang...
It's something that...
Puro sound effects
Ano
ah.
tayo, politically...
acclimated people.
So it's something new. It's something that we needed to try. And it's kind of it's an experiment in a way na parang kaya naman pala and still to make it safe. Parang ganun. So,
May kinukwento ka yung protesta mo. Ano nga yung protesta mo?
sabi na kasi namin, Mark, gusto namin top 10 lang kami, pero 9 kami. Kaya
Knock.
That's naman.
Dapat 10 lang.
Ang yabang.
Kasi pag masyado mataas, dami masisilip. Just kidding.
Hi, I'm Victor Anastasio of Comedy Manila. Are you looking for positive vibes and inspiration in your daily life? Di wag kang makinig sa podcast ko dahil baka mabwisit ka lang. Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio. Ano bang pinag-iisipan at pinapag-complainan ng isang komedyante? Ano ba ang isang stand-up comedian sa Pilipinas sa likod ng tabing ng entablado? Yan ang i-reveal natin sa Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio, produced by the Pod Network.
Bilang isang marshal.
Kasama
Ano?
to sa recording.
Kasama to sa recording.
Sige,
Bilang
game.
isang marshal, anong yung pwede mo ibigay na mga... Ano yung pinaka-criticism mo
Ganito.
para gumaling yung mga rider?
Matuto kayo magbasa ng rules para hindi kayo tanong ng tanong. Kasama yon sa orientation sa inyo, alamin niyo yung rules.
At katulad ng, ano yung pinaka-violated na rule?
Malay ko, di naman ako nagbasa ng rules eh.
ano naman, curious ako, ano naman yung FAQ? Magbigay ka nga ng 2 o 3.
Hindi, kasama to sa ano?
recording.
Okay. So, ang usual
Look,
na...
ganito ha. Kilala ka naman.
Oh.
They knew what they were getting into when they got you as a marshal. Kung may sinabi ka, kung may ginawa ka, kasalanan nila yun.
Alam nila yung pinasok
Hindi mo kasalanan.
Common na, siguro hindi rin na-explain ng maayos sa orientation. Pero common misconception kasi ng mga sumali na kapag nagkaroon sila ng violation, automatic hindi na sila pwedeng tumakbo the next day. So, nalulungkot sila. So, lagi namin sinasabi na, minus lang naman yan, huwag kayo masyado mag-alala. Wala, nag-violate ka eh.
Point system lang.
But it doesn't mean na the next day, hindi ka na makakatakbo.
Hindi confiscated yung license mo. Hindi ka,
So, hindi tayo
Gabriel
parang Lakanilaw
Pago.
style.
Okay.
Ano pang common na tanong?
Saan ka pinaka naiinis sa mga rider na sumali?
Naiinis.
Mas matino kasi mangot
hindi-
Yung madaming setup.
Hindi, yung maraming kwento. Kwento ng kwento, wala namang kwenta.
Ay, di galit ka.
Sorry.
Di galit ka sa tunay na rider.
So, alas 12 na ng madaling araw, di nyo pa napapasa yung mga phones nyo. Dumating kayo, maliwanag pa.
Sino yun?
Yun.
Wait, hindi ko gets. Pasa yung phones. Why
Hindi,
would you?
kasi
checking?
pagdating mo, i-check yung yung apps mo kung meron kang violation.
Ah.
So kailangan mong pagka-park mo ng motor, ano yun nasa orientation na. Pagka-park mo ng motor, punta ka na sa mga marshal para ma-check yung phone mo. So meron siguro dahil mataas yung mataas yung adrenaline. Pag park ng motor nila, kwentuhan sila ng kwentuhan hanggang sa wag niyong paalalahanan. Hayaan nyo makalimutan nila na di pa napapacheck yung phone.
Okay, Team Shut the F Up and si Team Yamaha. Anong mga violations nila?
Overeating.
Hindi ko yata
Overeating.
pwede. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin kasi baka mali yung scoring
Okay. Tingin nyo, anong mga violations nyo?
Kami wala.
Wala.
Speeding wala. Kasi sinasabi naman diba? When you give your guru, sasabihan kami kung meron
Patingin,
kami
Jack.
violations.
So yung
or what.
app, ang galing ng app, nandun lahat ng mga speed, mga So walang violation sa app. Ikaw, Inigo.
Para malungkot
Aminin.
Meron kami, hindi kami perfect score.
Oo. Ano yung mga violations nyo?
Meron yan. May na pumitik lang, ganun. Yan.
Lumabas na number 9 na kayo. Okay lang aminin yung yung mali nyo.
Yan lang naman. And talagang, there was, kumbaga, no intention naman talaga.
May may mga pasaway na cut off na, di na pwedeng umandar, pero ginamit pa rin yung...
Ay, di, wala.
Meron diba nakauwi ng 1
AM?
AM, diba? Day 1. Meron. Kasi nakuhip ko pa sila nun
Hindi, meron pang dumating afternoon.
Meron pa.
Tulog na kami lahat.
Di pa
Wow.
diba may
Oo.
1 AM? Kasi nagising ako nun
1 a.m.
Nagising
diba?
ako
May
nun.
1 a.m.
Saan
Meron
sila
pang
namasyal?
dumating ng, di namin alam kung anong oras na. Basta gising. O sige, pasok na kayo.
Saan sila
Tapos
namasyal?
tulog ulit.
Ayun. Talaga?
Meron. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, may madaling araw naliligo mag-isa ron
Okay. May tanong na pinaghandaan si Inigo. Iba, Bak. Ano yung kinatatakutan nila bago magsimula yung FJ? Kasi dahil... Well, yun. Anong kinatatakutan?
Yun nga. I mean, I don't think Inigo's scared of anything. Kasi he poops with Mark. Hindi siya takot sa hilik ni Mark.
May drone na ba nagpo-poop?
May
Sila
drone
takot sa hilik ko.
I mean, parang, what else? What is there for you to be afraid of,
Oo nga,
Inigo?
bakit pinagandaan mo pa yung tanong na yan? Go.
Yung gastos. Because the gases were going up, the gas prices were going up. And of course, parang to do the whole logistics to Mindanao,
Correct.
plus
Oo.
parts, plus mga ganon. So,
Curious ako,
yun.
nasa magkano nilabas mo for this event?
Actually,
Nandiyan naman si Mark Pay when
thanks
able
to
yun
Yamaha. Thanks to Yamaha.
Pay when able si Mark
Yamaha supported us a very big chunk on our
Yung yun, yung shipment ng bike.
Oo. Halos lahat, food and even our gas doon.
May may aabot ba ng 50 ang ilalabas?
Ay, oo. So technically parang
More than.
more than.
Kung hindi ka
if isama
sponsored.
mo yung if isama mo yung shipping lang ng bikes, it's already 22.
Maski sponsored
Tapos sabay
22 pag mura pag nakuha mo yung
pag nakuha
cut-off.
mo yung cut-off.
Kasi kami hindi.
Round trip.
Yeah, round trip.
Magkano yung inabutan ng shipping nyo?
Huwag natin pag-usapan.
Bakit?
Kasi na-late kami. Kasi basta mamaya na yung sa akin. Si Kuya
Masakit sa loob. Huwag na. Masakit sa loob.
Kuya Inigo muna. Let Kuya Inigo finish.
Oh, sige.
So yun, and then you have your gas. And then you have the hotel pa. Because you need to stay how many days din doon. So that's easily around another 10K. Tapos sabay gas, mahal din. At ilan yan? Tatlong full tank. And then food. So hindi din
I'm surprised.
Unless yung preparation, like the parts that you need to buy, the gear, gulong, Yun.
So if you weren't
So, lalagpas.
supported, if you weren't sponsored by Yamaha and Shinko, how much do you think you would have spent?
50 to 75, mga ganun.
Wow.
Si Jack naman, napapaaray ka, Jack. Kwento mo naman.
Rich, pwede ko ba sabihin yung role ko?
Go!
So, technically, parang rider team manager. So, I got all the sponsors. Everything to get the
Uy,
ball rolling.
Hanapin mo naman kami ng
Huwag
sponsor.
ka magulo.
Kunin mong host.
Self-interest muna.
Oh, sige.
So, yun. Naganap ako everything. Even yung cargo sana, it was supposed to be sponsored. And then, the oil crisis came up. Kinusap ako ng marketing na all non-profiting ng projects
Yung hindi kumikita na
would be
event.
paused. So, ako, kasi lahat ng budget ka na from lodging, food,
Wow.
in-event gastos, in-event gas, in-event food, lodging pagbalik namin, drivers, lahat yun naka to the dot. So, nung biglang umatras yung isang sponsor, I had to move different sponsors, different budgets. Tapos kumuha pa ako ng emergency na sponsor just to cover everything. And then yung sa cargo, dun nag-iba yung usapan. Kasi pag umabot ka sa cut-off, initial cut-off, 22 lang dapat. Ang ending nun is around 50 per bike. Dahil nga, they opened another wing van for the team.
50
per
kada motor.
Kami nila, ako hindi ako nagkakamali yung isang Ducati team kasi kami yung pinagbuksan ng isang wing van.
Grabe. Sa amin
Kasi puno eh.
nagkaroon lang ng
yung shipping ng motor.
Si Nico parang, sa amin wala kami problema dyan eh.
Hindi, nagkaroon kami ng extra, in the middle of, ang malupit doon, dinoload na namin sa container, tapos biglang tawag sa akin, may extra fuel surcharge po. Kasi dahil dun sa
Ayan,
increase.
sa crisis.
Magkano yung inabot yun?
60 for all the bikes na.
All the bikes.
Wala bang option na, ma'am, baka pwedeng kami nalang magsagwan?
Wow, that is scary.
Pero that was one way only That was one way only.
Mahal din.
60 for all the bikes.
All the
one way.
bikes yun, ikaw 50 isa eh.
Wait lang, mali lang kasi yung ko. Kung meron akong backup plan, it would have been much easier. Sana kung nag-reserve ako kahit may pledge na.
Pero wala naman nakakaalam na
Yun nga eh.
manggagago yung si Trump eh.
Yung sinabi rin ni what they call this, Tito Vince kanina, di ba? Yung dapat kahit papaano as a team lahat, kung ginawa niyo yun, nandun kayo. I mean, grit it out, kumbaga.
Huwag na kayo mag-away-away.
Huwag na kayo mag-away.
Shout out to my team. Lupit nyo, pinagtiisan nyo ako ng ilang araw. Lupit nyo, guys.
Uy, teka lang,
Mabait talaga si Pat eh. Sobrang patient. He's a very patient guy.
Super.
Parang yung tatay niya yun.
Lahat sila. As
Uy,
in,
Jack,
diva.
si Inigo pa lang yung nag-share ng kinatatakutan niya. Ikaw, we wonder.
Ako, siguro because I do have a title sa road race. Meron akong parang inkling sa utak ko na what if dito magkaroon din ng expectations ng tao. Ganun.
Pressure.
Yes, especially the brothers joined as well and they're both super bike racers as like me and may background kaming dalawa sa off-road. So, baka may expectations na, like last year, FJ4, sabi ko hindi ako pwedeng di makatapos kasi pag sila TJ nakatapos, yung pride ko would be parang natapakan na superbike racer naman kaming dalawa, bakit si Jack di nakatapos? Yun lang.
Pero iba naman yung putik eh.
Pero kasi the thing is, we both started from off-road. Origins namin.
That's right.
The
That's
brothers
right.
and ako, origins namin off-road. Doon ako nag-start eh.
So it's really pressure because you're the Philippines' fastest woman on two
At
wheels.
saka, bago ako umalis, bago ako mag-grab, papuntang airport, sabi ni Daddy, wag mo akong ipapahiya.
Okay.
Di ba ang importante lang naman meron footage?
Hindi ba yung importante naman? Everybody has...
Hindi. So, Palace, it's may title. Pagdating doon, ilang title ang nabili mo? Just kidding.
Okay. Tayo lang may alam nun pa.
Okay.
Hindi
Tayo lang may alam
ko
nun
gets.
pa.
Ano ba yung kwento dyan, Bob?
Mamaya.
Mamaya, off the record dapat.
May bayad
yun
na
eh.
yun eh.
Okay, mamaya.
Hindi kayo na-subscribe eh. Next time na yun.
Okay, dahil dyan, no? I guess.
Will you do it again?
Oo.
Oo.
In a heartbeat.
In a heartbeat.
Dapat pala si Vince na tanong natin ng
Yan.
ganyan.
Bakit?
Would you do it again?
O bakit? Ano meron?
Wala, para masagot nila.
Ay, hindi, sa akin
matanda na
naman.
kasi.
Sa akin, oo. As long as I still get to finish it with the team I finished this FJ with.
Yun. Actually, yung
Same team. Oh, go.
the team actually that
glasses ko. Hello?
Jack has been riding with are those people that I have been training with also week in and week out. Sila Marvin, sila King. Nag-enduro kami noon. Sobrang solid nung guys na yan. I've learned a lot from these guys. So si Jay Luna, yun din sabi sa akin Kuya, diet ka. Sabi ko, okay.
Yeah,
Yun ang pressure.
They were really good
Kuya, diet din konti.
Very pasmado bibig doon ni Kuya Jay eh. Very pasmado bibig doon ni Kuya Jay.
Sabi ko, ano konti? Madami dapat.
Actually, si Kuya Jay, nasigawan ko. Kasi di ba may isang uphill. Kung nasaan si Kuya Kirk, uphill ni Kuya Kirk.
Ah, okay,
Yun.
okay.
I called
Day
it
one?
Day one, uphill ni Kuya Kirk. Nasa baba ako, di ba kasi yung pag ganun yung pababa and then
Yes.
may gitna and uphill. Sa gitna ako, sabi ko, wait lang. If you guys know Kuya Jay, ang bilis niya magsalita. Like, Jack, tapos,
Eminem ng Pilipinas yun eh.
tapos, syempre, yung tono niya, very rough, di ba? Tapos si Kuya King din, oh, Jack, to ka sa... Quiet! Pag hindi kayo, iiyak ako. Stop it. Tapos sabi ni Kuya Marvin, sabi niya, oh, huwag kayo maingay. Pag yan umiyak, problema natin yan. So I was there, contemplating, a minute or two. Sabi ko, okay. So mukhang maganda yung kanan, patag, okay. Tinira ko. Tapos sa pag-akit ko, lumingon ako. May video yun Kuya Marvin, can I cry now? Because I want to cry. Kuya Marvin, can I cry? Tapos
Okay.
simula noon, sabi ni Kuya Marvin, pag technical, wag kayong sabay-sabay. Kasi pag umiyak yan, problema natin yan. Ilang oras yan papatahanin.
Okay.
So yun. I gotta love my teammates for that.
O ikaw, why would you do it again? Yun na lang yung question. Kasi sigurado naman gagawin mo ulit eh.
Doon na rin tayo sa... Hindi. Pero hindi dahil ginagaya ko lang si Jaka. We have a great team this time. And...
This time, ha? Oh, let's double click on that. Okay, yung team mo dati.
It was all great. It was all great. Ay, kasi
This time.
actually, Edri, he's my teammate on my first FJ din. So parang meron kaming full circle moment din dito.
Paano yung mga ibang team mo dati?
Hindi na nga nag-ride eh.
Nadala.
Hindi na nag-ride kayo ba?
Dahil sa
Mag-ride
FJ.
naman kayo. hindi lang dahil sa FJ, pero nag-iba-iba rin interest and all that. Pero we had a good team this time. When we were in the van, pauwi pala kami, parang Mark was also, di ba, tulad sinabi niya kanya, I love my team, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabay, siguro dahil lahat kami, parang veterans na and we kind of like knew alin yung nasa init lang nung panahon or init lang nung mismong
Nung
laro.
moment.
Oo. Pero tawag dito. Alam na after nun tawanan, magkakaibigan kami lahat. We found a way to play with the strengths of each and every one. So yun, yung strongman na nga kami si Mark. So we
Ikaw
Thank
si
you,
Mark yung
DJ.
strongman at saka nutritionist.
nutritionist, diba?
Ikaw?
Stylist. Stylist ako eh.
So, meron kang bida.
I created the whole branding of the team. So, yun.
Panis.
Oh.
Pati yung colorway.
Oh, diba? Tapos meron din kaming Edri was our captain, navigator. Siya rin ang nag-ayos ng lahat ng to.
Who is the wallet of the team?
Yamaha.
Yeah.
Hindi naman. But Edri helped and Mark, of course. And then we have tawag doon, Mark Abeno, which was the creative director. Tawag doon, director of photography. So siya nag-handle. Siya yung the whole time was doing the documentation. And then we have Jay Sanchez, our enduro king, basically. So,
Si technical guy.
pero
yan.
siya spokesperson
Spokesperson.
namin. Siya si spokes.
Siya ang pinakatahimik na spokesperson.
So, ayun. We parang nahanap namin yung tamang dynamic. And doon pa lang sinabi na sana next year itong team ulit.
Yan.
Yun. Not coming from me, but from other teammates. Yun
Habang
din yung
holding hands sila.
Yun.
And Team Yam, holding hands while pooping pa. Coach Nathan, yun na, 8 holding HHWP.
Pero meron ng muntik tuhugin ng kalabaw habang
Habang tumatae.
Kalabaw!
okay, hindi joke yun. Totoo yun.
Isipin mo pare, nakaligtas ka sa mga kayote. Ano pa yung mga perils sa Mongolia?
Scorpion, yung mga ngayon,
vulture.
Kalabaw
Vulture.
lang pala dadanas.
Hindi ako, hindi ako.
Habang tumatae.
Hindi ako yun.
On that note, HHWP, yan ang sign ng tunay na rider. At tunay na kaibigan.
Tunay na team.
While pooping. Alright.
Ay, wait lang.
Oh, ano?
Ikaw, kailan ka sasali?
Pagkasama si Buck.
Baka umayos ka, pasalihin mo to baka. Pasalihin mo to.
O game, tayo nila Patrick.
Ako yung
Patrick,
Orbe.
Ako maging nutritionist. Ako bahala dyan.
pwede.
King, ayaw mo?
CR situation, I just can't.
Now, honestly, you can go 2-3 days without pooping.
I did. Ako, alam ni Rich yan.
Normal yun.
I do.
Okay, I'll tell you why. The psychology of pooping.
Di
And I
ba?
think a lot about this, no? Kasi whenever I travel, kung nag-ride ako, bihira ako na pupoop. Dati nasa-stress ako doon eh. Parang, ba't hindi ako natatay pag nasa ride ako? And it's because pooping. And then this goes to show na how... May pets ba kayo?
Meron. Dogs.
Yung dogs niyo, yung mga ibang dog, nakaka-poop lang kung kasama ka. Di ba? Alam mo bakit? Because
Comfort?
pooping is when you're the most vulnerable.
Psychological.
When your dog poops with you, like kung can only poop, that they feel sobrang comfortable with you. They feel safe. Ikaw yung guardian niya. That's why when you can poop with Mark, that shows you're bonded, pare.
Oh my
Sobrang
God.
close
Nag-imprint
ka.
na kayo sa isa't isa.
Oo. Now,
Taing yan.
Now, we'll end on this. When you're pooping, again, that's when you're vulnerable. So when you're in a different location, kung halimbawa, nasa ride ka, nasa bundok, your body can keep that for 3 days. No problems yon. You'll feel a little heavy, you'll feel a little weird, pero wag ka matakot. Dati stress na stressed ako eh.
Alam
That's
mo-
why I can only poop with Bak.
Ano yan?
Yan.
Yun. Nasolusyonan ko na yung ganyang problema, matagal na. Ang technique lang naman dyan, para di ka matae, huwag kang kumain.
Oh well.
GLP-1.
Yan.
Pasok, GLP-1.
BM for increase.
TNR tips. Yung tunay na rider talaga, tunay na kaibigan.
Hindi tumatay.
HW.
Yun.
HHWP.
Yan. Okay.
Alright.
HHWP while nagtititigan sa mata.
Holding
Gagi,
hands while...
dream ko yun eh. Parang firing
Holding hands while pooping.
Tabi kayo. Pare,
Eye to
yun ang dream
eye.
ko magawa.
Okay. Alright. Take us out, Ivan.
See you next week.
Only on Spotify.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.